Hello, I am going to show you how you can get something out of nothing. Here I have a board with 32 squares in all. Now I am going to cut this piece along these lines. This one, this and this small square. Now these are the pieces we get after cutting. Now if I arrange it like this, we get our initial piece. Now look carefully. When I arrange it in this manner, take it over here. I go from where I begin and I get another piece which is extra. So can you guess from where this piece came? Okay, so now I will tell you the secret behind this extra piece. As you all know, matter cannot be created from nowhere. As you can see here, the area of this portion has been reduced as compared to these portions. So I can explain it to you in a simpler way. Now I am going to draw the outline of the original figure. This is the outline of our original figure. Now I will rearrange the figure on this paper. And again draw the outline. So this is the extra area we got after rearranging the figure, which is equal to the area of this piece. So this is an illusion, and it is clear from this experiment that matter cannot be created from nowhere. The funniest part is my mother always uses this technique to cut chocolates, and the extra piece always goes to my younger sister. You can also try this. Thank you.